nothing's going on.
What is that?
Oh, it's diaphragm in the lungs.
What does the diaphragm do?
It's lifting. Oh, it lifts the lungs. I'm going to show you. Here. See, it lifts those. See, it lifts those two stuff up and down.
What are those two stuff?
The lungs.
Oh, okay. And next body part.
I want to see this first.